Hello guys, so welcome to the new vlog. This is the second day of our conference, and actually in the morning there was breakfast, and today there are mostly Serbian lectures, so we are not attending those because we won't understand. So right now we are going to the gondola ride. That is actually the longest ropeway in Europe. It's around 9 kilometers. So we are trying to go there now, and she was feeling cold, so she removed her coat.
I felt cold, so I just removed my formal coat and just wore back my jacket. Yeah, now we are going. Let's see what happens, what we can see there.
Let's see. I'll show you next videos
There are
of.
cars and all.
Huh?
There are cars.
Yeah, I'll show you one thing. See guys, these are for off-roading and all. Here we will see everything like that. And see, this is actually an adventure park. You can do the climbings and all. And now we are going towards the ropeway. तो रौनक कहाँ जा रहे हैं भाई? So guys, that is the ticket counter, and these are the ropeway. This will take around 2 hours to come and go. So yeah, so 1500 dinar per person. So around 1200 rupees per person it is. And see, you can see horses there. You can do horse riding. Mostly Indian thingy.
There is horse ride also.
Tabak tabak.
Yay.
See, that is kind of a cab which you will get. 7 people are going, so let's see. I don't know how much it will take. So guys, we bought the ticket, and like this is the ticket, and like now we will go inside there, and then we have this thing. In this 2 hour of journey, we will have a stop at a lake, and then we have to go further. There is something, so like that. And while coming back, we can like drop down to the lake, and we can roam around, click photos and all. So everything will be posted in this vlog. Okay. So guys, now everyone sat inside the cab, and now we are going towards the upside. Sexy तो लग रहा हूँ. नहीं लग रहा. मैं लग रहा हूँ भाई. तो तेरे ब्लॉग की लड़कियाँ पड़ गई.
So beautiful, so elegant, just
Call him. He is single, but don't call him. So guys, as you can see behind, we are in the cab right now, and it will take 2 hours for us to come and go back. We will have a lake there. We will click photos over there.
It's so beautiful over there, guys. See that?
No, he's saying about the cab.
See, so, over there. It's so beautiful. So we are in this cable car.
See, from the back side we can see Latibor. My cameraman, please turn around.
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful
We all are
place.
together.
So
It's fun.
we'll show you more clips like this, and after reaching lake, I'll show you properly there what is there.
ये बैलेंस कर रहा है ना. समझ रही है. चीकू भाई is balancing.
Bye bye.
Mize also. हाथ ले ले.
Guys, as you can see the whole area, it's so good, so good.
उसमें तो
Literally.
बाल दिख जाएंगे भाई.
Guys, say hi. Kapoor say hi.
Hello.
So guys, as you can see, that is our final stop over there, and we have just crossed that lake. I'll put that lake also in the video.
And next
Hi, Ellen.
घोड़े की बादलों के बीच में आज वो आ
This
चुके
is
जो मैं
like-
आपको बता रहा था। ये storm
We are in the
आप देखो,
fog. Basically, we
यहाँ
got
पे
up on the mountain
क्या
area.
है, देखो।
So we
कितनी
are literally
ज़्यादा
on top
यहाँ
of
पे
the
बादल है भाई,
mountain.
हम
So
बादलों
that's
के
why
बीच
it's
में
just the
आ
fog
गए
is all over here.
है ना?
So we are just going like this. It is a ride of
अच्छी
2
वाली
hours almost. So now we have almost reached. I know guys. I'm very much trying to show you guys the amount of beauty or the amount of experience we are getting by going through this. But literally guys, it's just worth every penny you give for this.
Guys, so हम पहुंच गए हैं on the top of the hill. This is the final stop of this, and this is the whole view. Literally, I just now made a hyperlap, and this was the down. Literally, after this, if you can see, that is going down, and after that, it's vanishing. It's steep slope down there, and we can do trekking also. We can come here through the ATVs also. See. Well, this one looks like Stalber of PUBG. Who plays, those guys will know. Abhishek, Stalber. It's very much windy and it's so much cloudy. We are the only ones roaming around in suit here.
But I am
She is the only one who brought jacket. I don't know. I am fully cold, bro. I am red now. In the winter time now, when it's snowing, it is fully covered in the snow, and these are the snow lift. This is the snow lift, and this guy is feeling too hot. Hey Chinese, कैमियो दे तेरा?
अंदर से गर्म होना चाहिए भाई।
वो क्या कहते हैं? थर्मल स्कैट आती है ना? अमूल माचो।
क्या पहन के आए भाई ये लोग?
Very much cold, bro. Very much cold. Guys, we are now thinking to go back to our conference because we have a lecture in around 2 hours, and it's so windy, so cloudy. I am inside the cloud, and that is just like it's abandoned for now. This lift is for snow. The aesthetics are almost like Hagrid's house. From so good. I'll show you what we are having games today in our conference. So I'll show you guys that also. So guys, वहाँ से वापस आ रहे हैं. देखो नीचे आते हैं तो मौसम इतना सेक्सी हो गया है, और ऊपर अभी भी बादल है. जब हम वहाँ से एग्जिट करे तब अभी बादल थे. तो हम
should be in the metaphysics. It's less favorable if it's in diaphysics. It should be at least centimeter and a half away of physis. If it's a physis, at least centimeter and a half from physis. That's essential. And preferably in metaphysics. Diaphysis, but it's less much better. Yes.
So guys, after we had our this,
Second day of conference is that.
as you saw, I showed you this thing. We saw how to put the rod in the bowl, and now after that they have the organization have organized a playing area,
Like
in
a
which
gaming section,
yeah. So
yeah.
we have this thing 8-ball pool. We have bowling, and we have darts.
Yeah, I got a new t-shirt. Like not only me, everyone got t-shirt. It depends on everyone. See, we have blue color, which we have our friends wearing. One in red and one in beige also. So it's depend on people to whether to play the games by wearing this or not. Okay, so I just.
I don't like to wear these t-shirts, so I am not wearing. But now, for now, I am playing the pool, and after another match, she will come. Okay.
Yeah, I will
So
show
now
you
I'll
around
give
how
you-
you guys, how these people are
My
playing.
chance came. I am giving the phone
Okay,
to Ellen.
okay. Ooh, that's a shot.